Hi everyone, my name is Kaustubh Kale. I hope you guys are doing fabulous. So in this video, we will try to explain you a very simple concept, but a lot of people are curious about this. Is what exactly is an IPO and ये क्यों concept क्या है और ये company IPO क्यों लेके आती है? So the first thing is when a public company, a public limited company basically issues shares for the first time to the general public, it's called as an initial public offer, which is an IPO. In this case, prior to the IPO, company के shares publicly trade नहीं हो रहे थे stock exchanges पे, but after the IPO, it will trade on the stock exchanges. The general public, if they like the price, then they can like the price and the company, then they can apply for the IPO and get shares in that company. That is basically what an IPO is. Now, an IPO market is a primary market, and the stock exchange में जो trading होता है या buying and selling होता है, that is called as the secondary market. So once the company comes out with an IPO, the IPO market is the primary market, and once it gets listed on the stock exchanges, post which the people can again buy and sell those shares, that is called as the secondary market. So the IPO market is regulated by SEBI. If you as an investor want to learn more about the company which is coming out with an IPO, it is recommended that you read the prospectus. Now the prospectus is a document. It can be a draft red herring prospectus or the red herring prospectus filed by the company with the regulator, which contains tons and tons of information about the company, which will help you to understand the company better and make a buying decision about the company. Now, why does a promoter or a company come out with an IPO? Now, it can be primarily for three things. The first thing is it may want to have a capital related expenditure funded, which can be a large capex expense or even a working capital related expense. The second thing is अगर वो शायद आईपीओ से पैसा मतलब जनरल पब्लिक से पैसा नहीं लेता तो मे बी वो डेट लेता मतलब वो लोन लेता वेयर ऑब्वियसली देर इज अ बर्डन ऑफ फाइनेंस कॉस्ट. The third thing is in this case, when you apply to an IPO, you are essentially taking risk in the company, in the working of the company. So here the promoter is also de-risking itself. The few other reasons why the company can come out with an IPO is it may want to reward and provide an exit to its early stage investors. Now they may be venture capital investors, private equity investors, angel investors जिन्होंने कंपनी में बहुत पहले इन्वेस्ट कर लिया था, इनको एग्जिट दिलाने के लिए भी कंपनी आईपीओ लेके आ सकती है. The second thing is rewarding its employees. Now, even employees, as you may be well aware, get employee stock option plans. Now, in this case, जो shares आते हैं वो discount पे आते हैं obviously. So to reward its employees and later on provide an exit mechanism also, it may want to list its shares where the employees also feel rewarded and they also feel very proud about it. The third thing is obviously it gives the company a lot of visibility because there's a different stature and status for a company which is listed. Obviously, the compliance is also high, but obviously the status is also much better because it's something of an honor and privilege to the company. So this is what an IPO was. Now, to revise, when a company raises funds, a fresh fund initially to the public is called as an IPO. Since it is coming out first time to raise shares to the public. The second thing is IPO is considered as a primary market. Stock exchanges में जो trading और buying selling होता है that is considered as the secondary market. IPO क्यों लेके आती है तो कंपनी को कोई खर्चा करना होता है कैपिटल एक्सपेंडिचर वर्किंग कैपिटल एक्सपेंडिचर इसके वजह से हो सकता है उनको शायद अपना डेट रिस्ट्रक्चर करना होगा जहां पे डेट कम करना होगा because of which they might want to come out with an IPO. The third thing is either the promoters, early stage investors may want to take an exit from the company, and that is why they come out with an IPO. So this was all about IPO. I hope you found this useful as well as interesting. If you did, please do like and subscribe. Thank you so much.